Oh boy, we got some spicy content today, boys. You know, it's stuff like this that makes me freaking hyped and makes this bear market bearable. So, this is the project Yield Robot. They claim to be a BUSD reward pool with the most stable daily returns and the lowest development fee. Now, you might have seen a bunch of YouTubers promote this project, basically like saying, "Hey man, this is the best thing ever, 2% daily ROI. What the hell could go wrong?" Matter of fact, I was actually supposed to do a video for them as well, but I decided not to do so because I noticed a bunch of spelling mistakes, a non-doxed team, which some YouTubers are claiming that they are doxed because they show their Telegram profile pictures. They also had a very low TVL at the time. Now look, a low TVL and some spelling mistakes does not mean much, but this was only the beginning and things were about to get a lot worse. So I initially got hit up by one of the guys from the team on my Telegram, and when I asked them like, "Hey, what other projects have you guys been working on before?" this guy claimed that they have worked on baked beans before this project. The dude who initially reached out to me about Yield Robot said that he had worked on that miner, and I asked the team then that, "Do you know this guy?" And they were like, "Dude, I have no idea who that is." And I asked him like, "What did you do? Were you a developer or a marketer?" But no, sir, I I worked on baked beans. But yeah, but what did you do there? And he refused to like answer. Hilarious. So this obviously set off some red flags for me. So when I said I don't feel comfortable with promoting this project, they got real desperate. I told them why, and man, someone should give this guy a freaking Medal of Honor. How he laser focused on the comment about the TVL and not addressing any of the other concerns that I had. So yeah, this was obviously mega sus. So I just blocked this person and I was basically over it and ready to move on. But not these guys. They sent me messages on Telegram and they sent me messages on my email. Basically, they didn't give up on me. So this is basically from where all of yesterday's shenanigans started. I was on a voice call with the YouTuber Zach the DeFi dude. Great guy, fun guy. I will link his channel in the description box down below. So we were like, dude, if they are this desperate to talk to me about their project and they are this desperate wanting me to promote it, then hey, let's have them on the voice call and explain themselves, answer some questions. No, not one, not two, not three, but 4 of their 5-people team joined my Telegram group. Now guess how many of them were willing to talk. Now look, we were able to get them on the stream, but unfortunately, as it just happens, all of their microphones were broken. Who's this other?
Leah Adams.
Hey, what's up? Professional moderator admin. I'm guessing you're from Yield Robot. You're muted.
Yeah. Hey, you can unmute yourself and chat with us.
Okay.
Oh.
You left. What the dude? What is the thing with this? They join and they leave all the time. And some even had to leave for another meeting during all of this. And now we actually managed to get one of them to talk to us. So that guy basically, he came on, he said 4 words, and then he left. Now he's talking. Hello there. Join the call.
He is in the chat. Turn on your
Yeah.
mic and speak. How are you, Mr. Shared late if I am saying it right.
Hello, sir. Good day.
Hello.
I'm okay, sir.
Hello, good. Could you please turn down your mic a little bit? It's a bit loud.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, that's perfect. So, I'm guessing you're from Yield Robot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so you wanted to explain some stuff to us. You said, basically, I have gotten something wrong, uh, and you are going to explain what I have gotten wrong. If I understand this correctly, it is in reference to a comment that I left on Rastafari's video, where I said that you basically claim that you have been working on this, what the hell is it called now? Sorry, I'm very sick right now, so baked beans miner. And yeah, I spoke to the team and they basically said that you haven't worked on that project before. Is that correct? Or maybe you were referring to something else. Hello? So,
Oh,
okay, that was back.
okay. I think you are having some connection problem. Can you answer the Holger's question?
Yeah, or we can, if you don't want to talk about that, maybe there's some, I don't know. Okay,
Again there.
so, dude.
Hello, sir.
Okay.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Sorry. My
Okay, now we
internet
can
is
hear you.
unstable.
Yeah, no worries.
What is your question, sir, again?
So my question was, I got a message from one of the Yieldbot members saying that you would like me to promote your project and that I have gotten one thing wrong. I believe it's in, okay, yeah, so Baya Mead is the guy who sent me a message saying, we want you to make a video for us, but I know you have misunderstood our project. There is no problem with our project. Some members may have wanted to promote the project before, claiming to be well-known figures. And he also said you may have misunderstood our members. I think this is in reference to a comment that I left on Rastafari's video, where I said that you guys claim that you have worked on baked beans miner before, but basically there is no evidence of this.
And then, sir.
Yeah, this is the time for you to answer my question.
Wait, sir. I can't understand the question, sir. My internet was unstable.
Okay, no worries. Have you worked or any other member in your team worked on baked beans before?
A coworker, sir, that work with.
Sorry, what? Do you have maybe someone else from your team that doesn't have issues with the internet that could join this call? Zach, do you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. I turned
Okay,
off my mic so that we can listen to shared, but I
yeah,
think he is having some problems maybe.
yeah,
So
probably. Well, that's very strange. Usually when you have internet problems, you basically can't even make out what the other guy is saying. But to me, this dude sounds very coherent. There is no lagging at all. But let's give him the benefit of the doubt. Hey guys, there's nothing to worry about because we all maintain sincere communication, and if you have any suggestion, please let me know. Now they were also very eager to let us know that they have an open source contract, which is very unique, you know, that's like bragging that my car has a steering wheel. That's pretty unique. Now, of course, all of this is very shady, and if you are someone who still trusts the team, bless your pure little heart. I got a bridge to sell you. But, you know, the most important thing is how do they generate their revenue. So this is the thing, guys. They sent me some graphs, which they had renamed to Yield Robot. And that's it. Yeah. Now they went into much more in-depth explanation on Rastafari, who is another YouTuber that I like very much. He has some great takes, and also the Yield Robot guys are great friends with him. Good for you. So this is basically what they told him. Now, is there anyone in the comment section down below that has like 4000 IQ and could explain this jargon to me? I'd really like to, you know, understand this. Now, obviously all of this is very sus, but please do not go and attack these people. Let them sit in their little Telegram cave and watch shadows on the wall by themselves. There is no need to go and bully them. Now, I reached out to all of them and asked them if they wanted to jump on a call and explain themselves, but as they are very transparent, they decided not to do so. But they would love to work with me because my responsible attitude is admirable. Let's get this crypto. This is the CEO, by the way. Also, the environment around him is very noisy. So that is Yield Robot for you. So, you know, you will have to come to your own conclusion with the information that I have presented to you. Look, I might be totally wrong and they are 100% legit, but to me, this looks very shady, and I wouldn't touch it with a 10-foot pole. So yeah, if you like this content, please leave me a like and share this video with your friends so that they don't get fooled into this. Or maybe you think that I'm completely wrong, then leave it in the comment section. I will read through all of the comments. And yeah, this video was mostly a warning to my community to not get into this project. So again, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more content like this, but most importantly, let's get this crypto. Ciao.